Hi, my name is Dee, and I would like to show you today how to open a US business PayPal account if you are located outside of the United States. This can be a little bit of an issue, so I'll show you how to do it. Um, this will be of interest to people who would like to, who are doing the sales in the United States or are making payments or are collecting money in the United States and they would like to use a PayPal. The issue is that when you are outside of the United States, it's not that simple to set up a PayPal account that has a US address and you can link it to the US bank account, which you hopefully already have. If not, please check my other videos. I'm going to show it in a couple of days how to open a account in bank account in the United States or how to register a business in the United States as well. I I have lots of experience with business, with taxes, with setting up businesses in different countries. I can show you uh, things about accounting, advertising, how to do marketing, website development. So if you have any questions, just use the comment section and just shoot me a message. Please do subscribe so that you are getting these videos and hopefully in the future they can help you with opening your own business or in running it as well. So let's go to the US Business PayPal account. So normally, typically, if you uh, go, for example, you just look up PayPal or just would like to go to paypal.com or look up PayPal USA, uh, what you get is it always sends you to the PayPal based on your IP address. So in my case, it will be Canada. So if I just go paypal.com, you see that it's paypal.ca /home. So if you decide to open a business from here, whether it's through the business section or just as a sign up, both work the same. What happen is that it automatically directs you to an URL based on your IP address. So let's say if I just sign up for a business account and I would start a business account that is not paid, uh, then it would first ask you for an email address. So I just do any random email address that it checks first whether it's already registered. Do that, and then now it asks you for more information about yourself and also your business. The problem is that you cannot change the country. So I would be opening this account in Canada, and that's not what I want to do because I like to link it to the US to a business account in bank account in the United States and also use it for payments and collection in the United States. I did initially proceed with this, and I was hoping to just call or get in touch with PayPal and ask them to change the country and the address after I do the entire setup of the business. I sent them an email, and I got an email back within a few hours with a really generic email saying how to change the address, but it wasn't very specific, and I couldn't do it based on it. So I called PayPal, and they're very responsive, and they basically told me that they cannot do it. There's no way of changing the country, so it's not possible for me as a Canadian to open a business account in the United States. So I was thinking about it more, and I was kind of thinking of whether I should be using a VPN to try to approach it from an IP address in the United States, so they will be recognizing the PayPal in the United States. And what I ended up doing is I've noticed that okay, so here's a country, so let's just change it to United States, and that's what you do. And then it doesn't really matter if in which section of the PayPal you are. You just change this to the US and just do any random email address which is checking. And now, if you just scroll down, you are able to open a business account in PayPal in the United States. So all this is relevant to the United States rather than Canada or your specific country. If you proceed with this, you will be asked to provide more information about your business. So ideally, you really need to have a business set up in the United States. And as I mentioned, I will show you later how to do that. It's very simple. You can do it online, and it doesn't really cost very much money. You're looking at about $100 to $200, maximum $300 a year to set it up, and then maybe about $100 a year for maintenance. So it's not that expensive. So once you have that, and once you proceed with this, then you will be asked for more information. More specific is the tax identification number, which you would have when you have a business in the United States. And it will ask you for submission of the documents from your bank so that they can confirm the address. And it also will ask to submit a document from tax authority. So there will be anything related to your taxes in the United States, to your business taxes in the United States. And it's very simple to get, and I'll show you how to do that later. So hopefully this helps you. This way, if you're located in Canada, in Europe, India, China, or any other country, and you have a business in the United States, and if you would like to do business using PayPal, then this is the way how to do it. So you can get around being always redirectory based on your IP address to your country PayPal account. You just change it here in the URL to the US, and then you just open the US account that way. So hopefully that helps you. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.